Hey guys, I'm back with another Rocksbox. Oliver's here for now until he gets bored. This is my second one. I was really pleased with the first one, so I decided to keep doing it. It comes in a really pretty package, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get into it. Just has a little information packet, little price sheet. Not for you, Oliver. Okay. There you go. There you go. A care card, and inside 3 jewelry items. You pay $21 a month, and it's basically a rental service, but you can apply that $21 to anything that you want to purchase in the box. Or you can just keep it for as long as you want. You can keep it 2 or 3 months if you want. You'll just be charged $21 every month. But the first month that you sign up, the $21 fee is waived if you use my link below, or anyone's link. But I'll have my link in the description below, and if you use it, you get your first month free, but you still get the $21 credit to use towards something that you might want to purchase. Okay, so I have 3 little bags. Okay. All right, let's see. And you can also, when you first sign up, it'll give you the option to create a wish list, and you get a $5 credit just for putting 30 items on your wish list. And there was another promotion last month for the holidays where I got an extra $15 off. So I ended up getting a beautiful pair of earrings for $1. So, okay. This first item is earrings. Oh, those are pretty. I like them. They're by Ava Rose. Let's see. They're called the Savannah Hoops in Silver. The retail price is $55, but the Rocksbox price is $46 if you want to keep them. Okay, I'm going to try these on. Okay. Those are pretty. They really show up. They're very lightweight, and I like them. They're big, but not heavy. Okay, let's try the next bag. Let's see. It's a necklace. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Just little circles in 2 layers, and it's in gold. Let's see. This is the Sophie Harper layered mini disc necklace in gold. Retail price $55, Rocksbox price $46. Okay, I have it on the shortest setting that it'll go. So that's really pretty. I don't have any layered necklaces like that. So I'll definitely enjoy, I don't know if I'm going to buy anything, but I will definitely enjoy wearing these things for a couple of weeks while I'm deciding. Okay, one more item. And they're earrings. Really pretty. They are by Slate, the Lorelei drops. Retail price $60. It says promo price $37. They've really got some pretty rhinestones, and they're gold and silver. Okay, I'll try those on. Okay, those are nice. They're different. I don't have anything like that. Okay, so those are the 3 items that I received this month. I will probably be wearing, I like them all. I'll probably wear each of them a couple of times before I decide if I'm going to keep anything. You do get a discount if you decide to keep all 3 items. My subtotal would be $129, the 3 prices. But if you buy all 3, you get $10 off. So I could get all 3 for $119, and then I could take the $21 credit off, so I could get them all for like $98, I think. But I probably, well, I'm definitely not doing that. I'm not going to buy them all, but I will enjoy wearing them for a couple of weeks. And then when you send your box back, they immediately send you 3 more items. So, okay guys, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oliver's back. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below.